Hi friends, welcome to my new educational YouTube channel ComSearch. Today we will see some important MCQs on holding company accounts. So let's start the video. Question number 1. A company purchases majority of shares of another company is called as, and the options are option A, subsidiary company, option B, holding company, option C, vendor company, and option D, equity share capital. And the correct answer is option B, holding company. Then we will see next question. Question number 2. Profit earned after acquisition of shares is called as, and the options are option A, revenue profit, option B, capital profit, option C, unrealized profit, and option D, post incorporation profit. And the correct answer is option A, revenue profit. Then next question number 3. Profit earned before acquisition of shares is called as, and the options are option A, capital profit, option B, revenue profit, option C, unrealized profit, and option D, post incorporation profit. Then next question number 4. Consolidated balance sheet of holding company and its subsidiary company is prepared as per, and the options are AS 11, that is accounting standard 11, option B, accounting standard 12, option C, accounting standard 21, and option D, accounting standard 23. And the correct answer is option C, accounting standard 21. Then next question. Excess cost of investments over paid up value of share is called as, the options are A, minority interest, option B, goodwill, option C, capital reserve, and option D, none of the above. And the correct answer is option A, minority interest. Then question number 6. The share of outsiders in the net assets in subsidiary company is known as, and the options are option A, minority interest, option B, assets, option C, subsidiary company's liability, and option D, outsiders liability. And the correct answer is option A, minority interest. Next question number 7. As per accounting standard 21, preparation of consolidated statement is, and the options are option A, mandatory for private limited, option B, mandatory for listed companies, option C, optional, and option D, companies limited partnership firm. And the correct answer is option B, mandatory for listed companies. Next question number 8. Unrealized profit on goods sold and included in stock is deducted from, and the options are option A, fixed assets, option B, capital profit, option C, revenue profit, and option D, minority interest. And the correct answer is option C, revenue profit. Then next question number 9. Minority interest is recorded on which side of consolidated balance sheet? 4 options are option A, assets, option B, not recorded, option C, liability, and option D, none of the above. And the correct answer is option C, liability. Then next question number 10. Who determines market price of share of a company? And the options are Option A, Board of Directors. Option B, SEBI. Option C, Chairman of a company. And option D, Market Forces. And the correct answer is option D, Market Forces. Then next question number 11. Minority interest includes, options are option A, share capital held by subsidiary company. Option B, share of subsidiary company in capital profit. Option C, share of subsidiary company in revenue profit. And option D, all of the above. And the correct answer is option D, all of the above. Then next question, question number 12. Share of subsidiary company in capital profit is adjusted in, and the options are option A, minority interest. Option B, unrealized profit. Option C, cost of control or goodwill. And option D, profit and loss account of holding company. And the correct answer is option A, minority interest. Then next question number 13. Share of subsidiary company in revenue profit is adjusted in, and the options are option A, minority interest. Option B, unrealized profit. Option C, cost of control or goodwill. And option D, profit and loss account of holding company. And the correct answer is option A, minority interest. Then next question number 14. Negative balance of cost of control is called as, the four options are option A, goodwill. Option B, capital reserve. Option C, capital reduction. And option D, revenue reserve. And the correct answer is option B, capital reserve. Next question. Face value of debentures of subsidiary company held by holding company is deducted from, and the options are option A, debentures. Option B, cost of control. Option C, minority interest. And option D, debentures in consolidated balance sheet. Next question number 16. Pre-acquisition dividend received by holding company is credited to, and the options are option A, profit and loss account. Option B, investment account. Option C, capital profit. And option D, none of the above. And the correct answer is option B, investment account. Then next question number 17. Post-acquisition dividend received by holding company is credited to, and the options are option A, bank account. Option B, profit and loss account. Option C, dividend account. And option D, investment account. And the correct answer is option B, profit and loss account. Next question number 18. In case of public limited company, maximum number of members are, and the options are option A, 10. Option B, unlimited. Option C, 20. And option D, 50. And the correct answer is option B, unlimited. Next question number 19. Cost of control account is credited with, and the options are option A, revenue profits. Option B, capital profits. Option C, revenue losses. And option D, none of the above. And the correct answer is option B, capital profits. When two or more companies carrying on similar business and decides to combine, a new company is formed. It is known as, and the options are Option A, amalgamation. Option B, absorption. Option C, internal reconstruction. And option D, external reconstruction. And the correct answer is option A, amalgamation. Thank you friends for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you. For more videos, keep watching the videos. Thank you.